What's for lunch today? Something warm and saucy.
Tomatoes, pasta, olive oil, and cheese. Let's go shopping. Back home! Time to cook up something amazing!
Please give my video a like. Thank you so much for liking my video. Great, let's chop these fresh tomatoes and onions. Let's cook sauce for paste. Put in a little oil, a little stir, and a whole lot of flavor. We're going to cook pasta. Careful not to overcook. Sauce meets spaghetti, a perfect match. Oh, let's sprinkle a mountain of cheese, the best part. Hello, Monkey. How are you? Come to my house. Monkey's going to love this.
Hello, Spaghetti. I'm on my way.
Here I come, Cat. Save me a plate.
Welcome, my friend. Perfect timing. Dinner's ready. Good food tastes better with good friends.
Thanks for cooking with me, Meow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.